वेलकम एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप एकदम बढ़िया होंगे। एज कोरोना के केसेस काफ़ी तेज़ी से फैलते जा रहे हैं तो सभी प्रिकॉशंस लें और सेफ रहें। लेकिन इसके अपार्ट आपको अपनी स्टडी पे कंसंट्रेशन लूज करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है। इंग्लिश काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है, इसलिए स्टार्टिंग से इस पर फोकस बनाकर चलिएगा। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं आपकी बुक विस्टास के एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स ऑफ द चैप्टर द एनिमी। इससे पहले हम आपकी बुक फ्लेमिंगो के सारे चैप्टर्स के एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं। इन केस आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर जाकर देखिएगा। एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल लर्न करो क्लास 11 एंड 12। और मैं हूँ श्रेया, आपकी इंग्लिश मेंटर। ऑलराइट, तो सबसे पहले हम कैरेक्टर्स को एक बार क्विकली रिवाइज कर लेते हैं ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर। सबसे पहले आते हैं डॉक्टर सदाओ। कौन थे डॉक्टर सदाओ? ही इज एन अकम्प्लिश्ड सर्जन who resolves successfully the conflict between his patriotic duty and his duty to save the life of the person. Next is Hannah, जो कि सदाओ की वाइफ है। Now who helps her husband Dr. Sadao in operating on the American despite her physical discomfort, क्योंकि जब उन्होंने उस प्रिजनर को प्रोफ्यूजली ब्लीड करते हुए देखा तो उन्हें काफ़ी वॉमिटिंग टाइप का फील हो रहा था, बट उन्होंने फिर भी हेल्प करी थी अपने हस्बैंड की इन ऑपरेटिंग दैट पर्सन। नेक्स्ट इज टॉम। टॉम कौन था? वो प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर जो कि उनके घर पर आ पहुंचा था, जो कि अमेरिकन भी था। ही इज टिपिकल अमेरिकन सोल्जर thinking that most Japanese are cruel and humane and not humane. Next is the general. He is selfish old man only wanting Dr. Sadao to make him recover from his illness. Next you are having first question. It is the time of World War. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of Japanese doctor, जो कि डॉक्टर सदाओ है इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में। Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? So the answer would be as a doctor and as an individual, his first duty is to save the life of that person. So by giving him necessary medical help, जो कि डॉक्टर सदाओ ने किया था। जब उन्होंने सीशोर पे उसे प्रोफ्यूजली ब्लीड होते हुए देखा था तो उन्होंने उस प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर की वुंड में जो क्या पैक कर दिया था, मॉस रख दिया था, जिससे कि ब्लीडिंग फॉर अ वाइल स्टॉप हो सके। फर्दर, एज इट इज द एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज व्हाटएवर द रिस्क, लेटर ऑन he should be patriotic towards his country and inform the police or the army about the presence of American prisoner of war at his house. ऐसे ही किया था डॉक्टर सदाओ ने, making it clear to them that American is an critical state. So next question is, who was Dr. Sadao and where was his house? So Dr. Sadao Hockey was a famous Japanese surgeon and a scientist. He was doing a discovery on a medicine which would render the wound healing process and completely make it scar free. Next, he completed his study of medicine in America and he lived in a house which was built on Japanese coast near the sea coast. The house was surrounded by pine trees और इससे जो वहाँ की सीनरी थी वो काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल लगा करती थी। Third question is, will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? So Dr. Sadao knew that he would be arrested if he gave shelter to an American in their house. ये बात husband and wife Dr. Sadao और उनकी wife दोनों को ही completely clear थी, as Japan was at war with America at that particular time and the wounded man was an escaped prisoner of war who had escaped with a bullet injury, जो कि डॉक्टर सदाओ ने स्टार्टिंग में ही नोट कर ली थी। And harboring an enemy would mean being traitor. Traitor का मतलब क्या होता है? Being disloyal. And if somebody complained, Dr. Sadao could be arrested for the particular reason. ये बात दोनों को पहले से ही क्लियर थी। Next question you have, will Hannah help the wounded man and wash him herself? So yes, Hannah ने ऐसे ही किया था। Yes, Hannah did help the wounded man जो कि prisoner of war था, एक अमेरिकन था, as he was in very bad condition and needed to be washed before being operated. उसकी बॉडी पे काफ़ी सारा सैड, मड और काफ़ी सारा ब्लड लगा हुआ था and उसकी सर्वेंट यूमी जो थी उसने कंप्लीटली मना कर दिया था कि वो ये वर्क नहीं करेगी. सो नाउ हैना डिड इट आउट ऑफ द कंपैशन फॉर अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग. हैना को ही ये सब कुछ खुद से करना पड़ा था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव, व्हाट विल डॉक्टर सदाओ एंड हिज वाइफ हैना डू विद द मैन. So, Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah brought the wounded man to their house. उन्होंने एक म्यूचुअल कंसेंट से उसको अपने घर लाने का सोचा था and helped him greatly, क्योंकि ultimately they both saved the life of that person who was an American. Now Sadao operated him and saved his life by removing the bullet in his body. वो बुलेट इंजरी जो स्टार्टिंग में लग रही थी, लेकिन इस समय भी बुलेट उस बॉडी के अंदर थी ऑफ प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर. Now, Hannah washed him and served him when none of their servants wanted to do so. अब हैना के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, इसलिए ये सब उसे खुद ही करना पड़ा था. As he was enemy soldier, spite of this, हैना ने ये सब कुछ किया था. डॉक्टर सदाओ फाइनली इवन हेल्प हिम एस्केप टू सेफ्टी. और एंड में डॉक्टर सदाओ ने एक स्टेप अहेड जाके उसको एस्केप करने में उसकी हेल्प करी थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव, will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? So it was now likely that Dr. Sadao would be arrested on charge of harboring an enemy because general was being treated by Dr. Sadao. इसलिए उन्हें ट्रूप्स के साथ बाहर भी नहीं भेजा गया था, because if Dr. Sadao would have been arrested, there would have been no person to operate जनरल. सो इसलिए डॉक्टर सदाओ को अरेस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता था. फर्दर डॉक्टर सदाओ हैड इन्फॉर्म द जनरल अबाउट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अमेरिकन इन हिज हाउस. आगे जो है डॉक्टर सदाओ ने खुद ही जनरल को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था इस बारे में दैट ही इज हार्बरिंग अ प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू आर हैविंग, व्हाट विल डॉक्टर सदाओ डू टू गेट रिड ऑफ द मैन. सो डॉक्टर सदाओ फर्स्ट वेटेड फॉर द जनरल to get the man assassinated, क्योंकि जनरल ने प्रॉमिस किया था डॉक्टर सदाओ को that he will send his own private assassins for the problem. But when that didn't happen for 3 consecutive days, Dr. Sadao waited for the assassins to come. लेकिन जब वो नहीं आए, so he gave the man a boat and with provisions जो कि necessary थे and helped him escape to the nearby island जो कि deserted था. And he instructed him to wait for a Korean ship जो कि उसे safely आगे पहुंचा सके far away from that particular place. Next question you have, there are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our roles as private individuals and as citizens of a country with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with reference to the story we have just read. So, there are times when we are faced with difficulty and choices in life. As individual, we are torn, यानी कि we are divided between duty towards motherland and moral duty, that is ethical ones. ऐसे ही इस चैप्टर में डॉक्टर सदाओ के साथ हो रहा था. As helping a needy person when you can do on, and this is the same dilemma or the confusion, as it is the same dilemma or the confusion that Dr. Sadao is confronted with. So, as a patriotic citizen of Japan, were expected to hand over the American prisoner of war at the time of the Second World War, but this is a short-sighted view because of the situation. If we bring the humanistic angle, अगर हम human approach से इस same criteria को देखें, then we'll know that to the dismal reality, then it is a doctor's duty to save a human life, irrespective whosoever is the person. And ऐसे ही डॉक्टर सदाओ ने किया था इस चैप्टर में. As a doctor, one should not differentiate between enemy and ally. एनिमी एंड एली. अब एली का मतलब क्या होता है? फ्रेंड. अब जैसे कि इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में वो प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर डॉक्टर सदाओ का एनिमी था, लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी डॉक्टर की ड्यूटी निभाई और उसकी हेल्प करी, रादर देन उसको वैसे ही छोड़ देते अगर वो, तो फिर यहाँ पे उनके हिसाब से ये डिसलॉयल्टी होती उनके प्रोफेशंस के लिए, जो कि वो एक डॉक्टर थे. एंड हाउ कुड सदाओ लीव टॉम टू ब्लीड टू डेथ. इसलिए उन्होंने उसकी हेल्प करने की सोच ली थी और उसे अपने घर ले गए थे. Similarly, Hannah is an epitome of humanity and kindness. And not only Dr. Sadao, but इस पूरे प्रोसेस में उनकी वाइफ हैना ने भी उनका साथ दिया था। एंड कैन नॉट लीव अ वुंडेड पर्सन टू डाई, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी उनका साथ दिया था कि दैट वी कैन नॉट लीव दैट पर्सन एट दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट टू डाई। When Yumi, the children's governess, decides not to watch the wounded American, तो फिर हैना ने खुद ही सब सारा प्रोसेस अपने आप एग्जीक्यूट कर लिया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव, डॉक्टर सदाव was compelled by his duty as doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him in the face of open defense from the domestic staff? क्योंकि स्टाफ ने completely मना कर दिया था कि वो हेल्प नहीं करेंगे उस पर्सन की जो कि अमेरिकन था। And it was, answer would be, it was an humanitarian gesture by Hannah. So यहाँ पे humanistic approach आती है by Hannah when she helped Dr. Sadao in carrying the American soldier. And Hannah's loving and sympathetic nature come in front as in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff. Still Dr. Sadao और उनकी wife Hannah ने अपने process को, अपने plan को execute किया था। She also respected her husband and followed his example by helping the enemy soldier, क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरा process वैसे ही किया था जैसे कि डॉक्टर सदाव ने सोचा था और वो उसे execute करना चाहते थे। Next question is, how would you explain the reluctance of the soldier to leave the shelter of the doctor's home even when he knew he couldn't stay there without risk to the doctor and himself? So Tom, जो कि American prisoner था of war, he was fully known to the fact that Dr. Sadao had saved his life. Although being Japanese, उन्होंने out of the part जाके उसकी लाइफ को बचाया है, ये बात टॉम के दिमाग में क्रिस्टल क्लियर थी। So they could have left him to fend for himself. वो उसे छोड़ भी तो सकते थे अपने आप ही सेफ गार्ड करने के लिए, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया और ये बात टॉम की अच्छी तरह समझ आ चुकी थी। Further, he was aware of their empathy toward him. Moreover, he also understood that their house was the safest place for him because they had stayed in America and they could communicate with each other very easily. Further, the circumstances were not in his favor due to his ill health and serious wound. Tom sensed essential goodness present in both Hannah and Dr. Sadao. Further, in his heart of hearts, he was very sure that they will not hand him over to the police or the army. Then, as the scars on his neck prove earlier, जो कि उसके साथ inhuman activity हो चुकी थी, earlier जो कि उसके साथ इतना bad behavior हो चुका था, जो कि उसके neck पे जो marks थे उनसे पता चलता था, so he inflicted inhuman treatment on him. He was reluctant to leave Dr. Sadao's house. Next you have, what explains the attitude of general in the matter of the enemy soldier, and was it human consideration or lack of national loyalty or dereliction of duty or simply self absorption? So general का एक different character हमें chapter में पता चलता है, as the general was totally self absorbed. He was only thinking about his own health और इसी सारे process में वो डॉक्टर सदाव से किए हुए प्रॉमिस को completely भूल चुके थे in his own health problem, and he could not afford to lose Dr. Sadao. If he would have been arrested for helping an enemy soldier, the general did not have any human consideration or the lack of national loyalty. So he was not neglecting his duty because he informed Dr. Sadao that he would send his assassins, जो कि ultimately later on general भूल गए थे और उन्होंने किसी भी assassins को वहाँ भेजा ही नहीं था. Next question is, while hatred against the member of enemy race is justifiable, especially during wartime, what makes human beings rise above narrow prejudices? So, in many instances, human beings rise above narrow prejudices. In this case, Dr. Sadao does not think twice. उन्होंने दो बार सोचा भी नहीं था before stopping the bleeding in the American soldier. उन्होंने उसके जो open wounds थे उसमें moss pack कर दी थी all of a sudden, and it was his moral obligation to save human beings' life. Although this human being was his enemy, जो कि हमारे chapter का नाम है The Enemy. So, although he admits all Americans are my enemy, his sense of humanity and empathy are highlighted, does not allow him to differentiate between man and man. All are men, whether that side or this side during a war. So, he spends 3 sleepless nights thinking that life he has saved in danger. Dr. Sadao take care of the wounded American in the same manner he would have treated any other wounded person. इसलिए ही जब उन्होंने assassins की बात करके आए थे जनरल से, इसलिए he spent 3 sleepless night कि जिस person की उन्होंने इतनी help करी है by operating him, now assassins will come and carry him away. Further, thus Sadao rises above the narrow prejudices to become a citizen of the world, somebody who is compassionate and benign towards all. Next question you have, do you think the doctor's final solution of the problem was the best possible one in the circumstances? So, when Dr. Sadao came across the prisoner of war, the first thing he did was to save his life, and as a doctor he fulfilled the moral and the ethical obligations. Irrespective that it was the enemy person, he saved his life, he helped him as a doctor. So, of saving human life, next he proved himself loyal by informing the higher authorities that he is having an American prisoner of war at his own house. Next, when the general assured Sadao of sending private assassins to eliminate the American, Dr. Sadao felt restless and guilty कि पहले मैंने उस person की life safeguard करी है and now I have asked for the assassins to come and take him away from that particular place. The same person whose life is saved after spending 3 sleepless nights waiting for the assassins who never came. So he finally worked out a plan to let Tom escape away from his house, and the American prisoner of war escaped ultimately. By letting him escape, Dr. Sadao proves that even 2 countries are at war, जो कि यहाँ पे जापान और अमेरिका है. The religion of humanity does not change. Humanity फिर भी exist करती है, जो कि हमें दोनों में देखने को मिली, American prisoner of war में भी और Japanese Dr. Sadao Hoki और उनकी wife में भी. It's the basic principle is saving a human life, which Dr. Sadao does it successfully, and in a way Dr. Sadao echoes the author's views against the war and hatred it generates between man and man. क्योंकि जब वॉर होता है 2 कंट्रीज में, बोथ साइड देयर आर मैन, और अकॉर्डिंग टू डॉक्टर सदाओ वो इसमें डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते थे जब एक क्वेश्चन अराइज होता ऑफ सेविंग अ लाइफ. सो थ्रू डॉक्टर सदाओ द ऑथर कन्वेज द मैसेज ऑफ यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड, पीस एंड यूनिटी. इट इज बेस्ट सोल्यूशन टू द प्रॉब्लम, जो कि डॉक्टर सदाओ ने एग्जीक्यूट किया था. इट वॉज द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. That's how we have covered the NCERT question and answers of this particular chapter, The Enemy. You can download by Learn Karo Premium subscription. You can attend live classes anywhere, anytime. Entire study material आपको provide कराया जाएगा in PDF format. You can analyze your own performance as you'll get personalized student reports. In case अगर आपको अकेले पढ़ना काफ़ी boring लगता हो, monotonous लगता हो, then you will be enrolled in classes along with your peer groups. You can also attend doubt clearing sessions both online as well as offline. You can also attend live tests, quizzes and assignments. आप डाउनलोड कीजिए हमारा लर्न करो का ऐप, लर्न करो द लाइव लर्निंग ऐप, एंड यू मे ऑल्सो ज्वाइन अस ऑन टेलीग्राम. दोनों के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइडेड है. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries, do ask me in the comment section below. I shall meet you in the next class. Till that time, stay safe, keep studying. All the best. Bye bye.